Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a tips and trick in the Excel. What we are going to do now, here there is one worksheet with balance amount which shows both positive and negative balance. For example, here that March, April and May, it shows positive balance. And for July, it shows negative balance, and for August, it shows the negative balance. If we want to highlight these negative balances in red color, how can we do that? It is very simple only. I will show you how to do that. Okay. First, you have to go to the conditional formatting, and then you have to select the new rule. We are going to create one rule for that. Use formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. Now we are going to check for the negative balance. Lesser than 0. And then go to the format. And here go to the font and select the red color. Now you can see the negative balances in red color. Okay. Here you are able to see that. Okay. If you are having more data, volume of data is around 10,000 records, then sometimes even if it is shows the negative symbol, that the minus, you may miss the records. That means you may miss the data, the negative balance. So if you highlight in different color, we can easily identify the negative balances. Okay. We will see in the next video. Thanks. Bye.